Hey everybody, this is Dustin, RV Specialist. So just doing a quick little update on this one. I believe this is a Newmar, by the way, if you haven't seen a Newmar motorhome. I believe it's in here for some slide out services, and I'm not sure what all Zach's doing on it, so I'll follow up on it a little bit more. But I just want to say that we do work on a lot of different motorhomes, and same thing, no matter if it's a motorhome or a travel trailer or fifth wheel, they all require some form of maintenance. So make sure that you're keeping up on all your maintenance. You can also check on our website. We have a lot of different pages to help, educate you on different maintenances that we do. You can always contact your manufacturer or the actual product manufacturer that they're using. So like example, whatever brand of motorhome this is and whatever type of slide out system. Sometimes we'll get some of these units that'll come in that'll have, one to as many as 6 slide outs. Sometimes those slide outs are multiple brands. They're not all from the same company. So make sure you learn what type of slide out you have, the required, maintenance for each one. And then keep in mind that, as you're traveling down the road, whether it be on a frame chassis like this, that they do, fluctuate, they shake, they rattle, they vibrate, they create friction. So it's a lot of the times where things go bad on them, and other things, slide out toppers and whatnot. So make sure you stay tuned for more. And again, check out our YouTube channel. We do have different playlists in there for slide outs, roofs, suspension, accessories and whatnot. And we're going to continue to build those up and get them all categorized. So, all right, thanks again for watching. And this is for all you guys with Newmars. Have a great day. Dustin, RV Specialist.